Then garnishan natin ng onion chips guys, yung iniwan natin kanina. Ayan, tapos na yung ating beef pancit Mickey na may siomay. Ayan, may itlog siya. So please like and subscribe guys. Papalo naman yung YouTube channel natin. Thank you. Bye-bye.